Your next big dropshipping sale is hiding in plain sight, scrolling on TikTok right now. Step 1 is setting up your TikTok shop. Head to your TikTok app, switch to a business account, and find the TikTok shop section. The application process is straightforward. Verify your details and get approved to unlock a direct sales channel to millions. Step 2 is sourcing winning products. Don't just sell anything. Use TikTok's discoverability to your advantage. Scroll through your For You page and note what's already going viral. Problem-solving gadgets, quirky accessories, anything with high engagement. Then, find reliable suppliers who can dropship those items directly to your customers. Step 3 is listing your product for sale. Once you have your product and supplier, add it to your shop with crisp images, a compelling description, and a competitive price. TikTok Shop handles the payment processing, so you just focus on making the listing irresistible. Step 4 is the most critical: marketing. Create authentic vertical videos that demonstrate your product's value. Don't make an ad. Make content. Use relevant hashtags, engaging hooks, and a clear call to action to drive viewers directly to your shop. Your goal is to make the path from discovery to purchase seamless. Finally, capitalize on trends instantly. The moment you see a potential trend related to your niche, create a video and tag it. TikTok's algorithm rewards speed and relevance, turning a trending sound or topic into a powerful sales engine for your dropshipping business.